Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. The mixed nerve is auditory nerve, oculomotor nerve, facial nerve, abducens nerve. Mixed cranial nerve is. The correct answer is option C, that is facial nerve. Facial nerve is the seventh cranial nerve, and what does mixed nerve means? It means it is carrying both sensory as well as motor signals. Question number 2. The second cranial nerve in human originates from ciliary muscles, retina and lens, ocular muscles of eye. The second cranial nerve in humans originates from. The correct answer is option B, that is retina. And what is the second cranial nerve? Right, the optic nerve. Question number 3. Which of the following is richly vascular layer with lots of blood capillaries? Dura mater of brain, pia mater of spinal cord, epidermis of skin, epithelial lining of trachea. Which one of the following is richly vascular layer with lots of blood capillaries? Correct answer is option B, pia mater of spinal cord. Question number 4. Reflexes for maintaining vital functions like blood pressure are localized in hindbrain, midbrain, forebrain, cerebrum. Correct answer is option A, hindbrain. Question number 5. A boy learns typewriting and harmonium at the same time. He finds harmonium more easy to learn. This is conditioned reflex, short-term memory, residual learning, long-term memory. Boy learns typewriting and harmonium at the same time and finds harmonium more easy to learn. Correct answer is it is an example of conditioned reflex. Question number 6. Organ of Corti are present in cavity known as scala tympani, helicotrema, Reissner's membrane, scala media. Organ of Corti is present in the cavity known as. Correct answer is option D, scala media. Question number 7. Color blindness results due to absence of rods, absence of cones, inverted retina, problem in cornea. Color blindness results due to. Correct answer is option B, that is absence of cones. Question number 8. Which vitamin is required for synthesis of rhodopsin? Vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D or vitamin A? Vitamin required for synthesis of rhodopsin. Correct answer is option D, that is vitamin A. Question number 9. Junction of two nerve fibers is known as nerve synapse, nerve junction, nerve connection, none of these. Junction of two nerve fibers is known as. The correct answer is option A, nerve synapse. Question number 10. Which part of mammalian brain controls muscular coordination? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, medulla oblongata. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, corpus callosum. Which part of mammalian brain controls muscular coordination? Correct answer is option C, cerebellum. Question number 11. Which part of brain is involved in loss of control when person drinks alcohol? Cerebrum, cerebellum, pons or medulla? Which part of brain is involved in loss of control when the person drinks alcohol? The correct answer is option B, that is cerebellum is affected. Question number 12. Broca's area in human brain controls interpretation of images, interpretation of sentences, movement of vocal cord, movement of respiratory muscle. Broca's area in brain controls. The correct answer is option C, that is movement of vocal cord. Broca's area of brain is involved in speaking. Question number 12. Parkinsonism is related to brain, spinal cord, cranial nerves or spinal nerves. Parkinsonism is related to. The correct answer is option A, brain, and more specifically basal ganglia part of brain is involved in Parkinsonism. Question number 14. The space between cranium and dura mater is known as foramen of Monro, subdural space, epidural space, foramen of Luschka. Space between cranium and dura mater is known as. Correct answer is option C, that is epidural space. Question number 15. Heart muscle is innervated by vagus nerve, trigeminal nerve, abducens nerve, accessory nerve. Heart muscle is innervated by. Correct answer is option A, that is vagus nerve. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.